Hey, what's up, guys? I'm here with Jorge again from Market Box Tax and Accounting. How, Jorge? It's good to see you.
Good, good. Thanks, Edgar, for the
Drove
invitation
up
again.
here, almost died in the fog, but you made it.
Yes.
So today we're going to talk about a topic that's really important. The first topic we're going to talk about is why it's important to have a person like you and talk to a CPA, a financial specialist, throughout the year, not just when you're trying to file your taxes as a business owner.
Well, thank you, Edgar. Yes, as I said before, it comes to the difference between tax preparation and tax planning. Okay, everyone knows that tax preparation is a cost. Everyone has to file their taxes, pay the person that prepared the taxes. But the problem with that approach is that when that time comes, it is too late to save money on taxes because the year already passed. So a lot of the strategies need time. So one of the issues here, and I always tell my clients, is the government is your partner, usually 30% here in California. So the best way to minimize that is to tax planning. Tax planning is a year-long, full year process where we look at the tax situation of the individual or the business, and then we plan accordingly to reduce the tax liability. Some of the strategies are complex. They need time. Sometimes we need 2-3 months to implement them. So, and then there are regulations that you have to do it before year end. And some require certain products where the other companies, they close in November and they don't take any more new clients up to for that fiscal year.
Because I'm assuming sometimes you get a client when they come after you when the tax is already supposed to be filed. And they're trying to make you do some things from the previous year.
Yes.
And like, well, how can we prove anything
Yeah,
that happened last year?
backdating is very limited. There are certain strategies like retirement planning, for example, when you have the due date of the tax return or extensions. But that those are limited, just 401ks, SEP IRA, things like that, or the 5 benefit plans, which can be expensive in terms of cash flow. But the real good ones, you have to implement before, So these strategies are really an income generating strategies, because it's a savings, which is huge in your cash flow. And sometimes you get money back or you get credits, for example, for businesses like, research and development that where you can apply and get the payroll taxes.
Got it.
In that period of time.
That's the one you
to
mentioned
get back.
last time where you can spread through the future years.
Yes. And these strategies generate savings through the multiple years.
So, I mean, if somebody wanted to get a hold of you and talk to you, obviously we're going to put your information. And we're talking about now, obviously this year is gone for last year, but what's a safe time for you to tell somebody, hey, look, contact me now for 2025?
Well, the best time is
latest.
now. It's
now, right?
It is funny that during tax season is a great time to start planning
For the following year.
for this year. So for next tax season.
Got it.
So because we're reviewing all the taxes, we're looking at all the numbers, so we can plan, because some of these strategies require cash flow. So it's easier for an individual to really fund the strategy during the year, that when I say, okay, we need to, like a very common, like, oh, you need to buy a truck, go get the financing running, things like that. And instead, we just have different strategies that we can implement and then amortize the cash requirements. Some don't require the cash, but requires compliance. We have to file forms, we have to work with an attorney, we have to work with a financial planner. And it takes time, the coordination.
So obviously, if you want to have more information about this, guys, you own your own company, especially corporations. Obviously, something that has to be done, again, with filing on time and making sure you want to stay compliant. Make sure you get a hold of Jorge ASAP. This is the time to get a hold of Jorge.
This is the best time to start tax planning.
Yep. Fermin's going to put his information here. Make sure you get a hold of Jorge as soon as you can, because this will save you as you file for next year and going forward. Make sure you reach out to Jorge.
Let me add one more thing. I usually do a tax assessment. It is free. We do an evaluation to see if the person qualifies for tax planning. It's great information. The taxpayer will have great information, very valuable. If they qualify for tax planning, definitely is great because most of the time people don't know they qualify for these credits, and if they don't qualify, they have a real starting point to think about it, and then save money when the time comes for prepare the taxes.
That's smart. All right, good job, man. Thanks, Jorge. Thanks, guys. See you guys on the next one. Make sure to reach out to Jorge ASAP if you want to get this started. See ya.